Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we talk about ways to make money online. Today, we're going to share with you some effective and practical ways to earn money online. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for an extra source of income, these ideas will surely help you out. The first way to earn money online is by freelancing. Freelancing is the act of offering your skills or services to clients online. You can offer services like writing, graphic designing, web development, social media management, and more. The best platforms for freelancers include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. The second way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote someone else's product or service and receive a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Some popular affiliate marketing platforms include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. The third way to earn money online is by taking online surveys. Companies are willing to pay you for your opinion on their products or services. Some legitimate survey platforms include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Toluna. The fourth way to earn money online is by starting your own e-commerce business through dropshipping. This is where you sell products without keeping them in stock. Instead, you purchase the product from a third-party supplier and have it shipped directly to the customer. Some popular dropshipping platforms include Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. The final way to earn money online is by teaching online. You can teach anything from academic subjects to music or cooking. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create your own courses and sell them to students all over the world. So there you have it, 5 effective ways to earn money online. The internet has opened up so many opportunities for people to make a living from home, and we hope this video has inspired you to take advantage of them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.